Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You're welcome. Today what we are doing is mango and coconut rice cake. Okay, I have my rice here and I've soaked this rice for 2 hours in milk and water. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend that with all the other ingredients and then that will be it. It's very quick recipe. Okay, so I'll put that into my blender. If you are new here, you are welcome. You do yummy recipes, you do healthy recipes, all the recipes that you need, and I trust that you will stay. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. I would love that. Thank you to all my subscribers for subscribing. I'm really grateful. I appreciate all of you. So I'll put all the measurements down below. I'm just using my small blender. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just blend it bit by bit and I'll put them all together. So this is my rice in my blender. I'm going to add some desiccated coconut. And then I'm going to add 2 eggs. So guys, I've added the eggs and I'm going to cover it. So I'm going to blend that. Right guys, so this is our mixture. Okay, it's nicely blended. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some baking powder and then some brown sugar. This is just a quick recipe, okay? And I want to add a bit of vanilla extract. You love this recipe. And the next thing I'm going to add is some mango, my favorite fruit. Okay, I've cut them into pieces and I'm adding it, even though it's too full, but I'll just press it in. So I'm going to blend that and then we just pour it into the tin. So guys, I've buttered my tin nicely, okay, and I put a parchment paper at the bottom just to help with just sticking it out, and I'm pouring my blended mixture in the tin. So this is a very easy recipe, okay, and it's delicious, as you know. So guys, this is my cake mixture. So I'm going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. I've already preheated the oven, so I'll just put that in and then afterwards I'll show it to you. So guys, this is our cake. This is our mango and coconut rice cake. It's delicious. You have to try this, okay? And it's very spongy, as you can see here. Okay, so try this recipe and you love it. If you like this recipe, please do give me a thumbs up, okay? Do subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.